morning, and this is day 2, December, Tuesday. Thank you so much for giving your lots of love and support on my previous video. And now we are working towards a series, Gratitude. So, gratitude is one thing that if you have in your life, you are going to receive a lot. And now I'm just going to tell you one secret. You all drive car. एक कार में 4 टायर होते हैं और अगर आप इन चारों टायर में से कोई भी एक फ्लैट हो जाए, कोई भी एक पंचर हो जाए, सो कैन योर कार मूव वेरी स्मूथली? नहीं हो पाएगा, आप सफ़र पूरा नहीं कर पाएंगे। सो आपकी ज़िंदगी में हम कई बार प्रेयर करते हैं, सब कुछ करते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास कुछ सर्टेन चीज़ें हैं जिनके ऊपर हम फोकस करते हैं, उसके अलावा हम फोकस नहीं कर पाते उन चारों चीज़ों पे। जबकि एक गाड़ी को मूव करने के लिए हमें चाहिए एक प्रॉपर प्रेशर चारों टायरों में इक्वल हो। एंड यू नो व्हाट आर दीज थिंग्स? आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. We call it HRCM. So H stand for your health. So your health is important. Thank God that you are healthy. हम में से कई लोग अपनी चंगाई नहीं पा पाते हैं। आप उनसे पूछो कैसे हो, बस चल रहा है, मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ। But when you say that you are blessed, कि वो बीमारी आपको और वर्स कंडीशन में नहीं लेके आ पाई है, आप रिकवर हो रहे हैं। दैट इज़ द वेरी गुड पॉइंट, राइट? सो कोई आपसे पूछता आप कैसे, बस चल रहा है, बीमार है, आप बीमार ही रहोगे। बट व्हेन यू से दैट कि बीमारी में होने के बाद भी, बिल्कुल टूटे पड़े होने के बाद भी आप कहते हो कि मैं ठीक हूँ, आपके अंदर वो इच्छा है कि चंगा हो रहे हैं, सो दैट यू आर गोइंग टू गेट हील एंड यू आर हीलिंग। दैट इज इन योर कंट्रोल हाउ यू वॉन्ट इट. How you want it. Is it your healings depend upon the medicine or what? See, medicine works. I'm not denying it. But when you consume with your faith, then it's work. So your health is in your control. Prayer for your health. Be thankful for your health. There you do have that capacity. You do have that strength that you can work. When you can walk, it's a blessing. There are so many people who sit it on the wheelchair or they don't have anyone who can move them. But you are blessed. Be thankful for it. Start writing down your blessings. Second is your relationship. You should be thankful to the God that you do have a beautiful family. There are many people who are living alone and now they are realizing why they don't have their own family. Many times we take it very casually. ठीक है ना यार, बीवी है, बच्चा है, परिवार है. Is it? That's not casual thing. This is the special blessing. The thing you are thinking that you are in problem. No, actually they are your strength. They are your strength. Your family is your strength. Till now they are in front of you. You can deny them, but trust me. Be thankful what you have. Might possible they are not working according to you. You cannot change all of them, but you can change yourself. Try to think from a different perspective. If here it's a morning, there is a word, there is night also. So we cannot have the same vision, we cannot have the same logic for same thing. There are thousands of ways of solving the same problem. You know one, or you may know the 999, but still there is one missing. Find it down there. Be thankful for your career. C stand for the career. There are millions of people who lost their job. They don't have any penny to feed themselves, their family. They have only one meal at a time. Be thankful that God has blessed you with a job. You may not be satisfied with your job, but trust me, there are people who want that. What you want to leave right now, people are praying for that. You have to be thankful for this. Pray for your career, be thankful for your career. When you start thanking for these things, your career will shine. If you got stuck somewhere in your career, start thanking God that how He has helped you. So the last part is M, that is money. So a lot of believer thinks that money come from the Satan. पैसा पाप है या शैतान से है, पैसे के बारे में नहीं होना चाहिए. But God says that God gives you wisdom, and wisdoms have in the right hand the long life, in left hand the riches and wealthiness. So परमेश्वर आपको बुद्धि देता है, बुद्धि के दाहिने हाथ में दीर्घायु और बाएं हाथ में धन और वैभव है. So ask it, respect it, and be thankful first of all. Write down that thank you so much for you have the money. Even वो बहुत छोटा पार्ट क्यों नहीं, आपकी बचत है बहुत छोटा है, start writing. There are people who don't have even a single penny in their pocket. But you are blessed कि आपके पास है. जब आप अपने उस पैसे पे कुड़कुड़ाना छोड़ देते हैं, मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है, या आप खुश नहीं होते हैं, तो you don't receive money. Whatever you have, if you are so happy for it and you are thankful for it, it multifold, बहुत तायद से बढ़ता हुआ जाता है. So ask, because God want to bless you with both the hand. Work on your all four parts: your health, your relationship, your career, and your money. And these are the wheels of your life's car. अगर आपने इन चारों को कंट्रोल कर लिया, so आपके रास्ते कितने भी खतरनाक क्यों ना हो, कैसे भी क्यों ना हो, आपकी कार बहुत स्मूथ से रन करेगी. So this is D2. Start writing your blessings. Last one was the day 1. I told you to write down all your blessing from the January. This is day 2. Write down the February and be ready for the next one. Right? Start writing and share what insight you got it. जब आप लिख रहे थे, क्या आपके अंदर आया, क्या आपको मिला, कमेंट में लिखिए. So बने रहिए. Don't forget to follow me. Don't forget to share it.